Hi, welcome to another video. Tomorrow the KTM is going to the motorcycle fair in Utrecht, the Motoburst. It's the biggest motorcycle fair in the Netherlands. Tonight we're going to load it up on the trailer and tomorrow we're going to bring it over there. We're going to bring two bikes, one of Motorig and mine. I think it's really awesome that my own bike is on the stand on the Motoburst. I think it's awesome. I'm also going myself. I'm going tomorrow to unload the bike and fill it up with some luggage, and I'm going to be there as a visitor also, so stay tuned. New Royal Enfield Himalyan. I think it's better looking in real life than on the pictures. Really nice. Very nice bike. But look at the stickers for 43,000 euros. I would love to ride an FTR one day. Awesome bike. Also one of my most interesting bikes, 450 from Cfmoto. Pretty light. Yeah, I like it. Really nice bike, the Tuareg. Like it. Well, the goods. I like it better in person, but still, I think I don't want to change my V100 for this. Do I miss it?
Niks beginnen. Hou foto's van Dennis gebruiken.
That's it, niks.
Dat is niks.
Yeah, it's a beautiful bike. Way too expensive.
New for a motor.
First hybrid bike. Do I like it? Nah, not really.
Ik vind het ook wel grappig, want je hebt zo'n knopje power mode.
I really like this bike, really interesting. Not sure if I'm going to change it for the KTM, but would love to ride it. The MV Agusta Lucky Explorer. Really awesome bike. It looks great. Nice wheels from Excel, Brembo radial brakes, triple cylinder engine. But look at the price, 34,000 euros. But it's a limited edition. 2 of 500s.
Ja, kijk, ik weet niet met wie, maar... Oh, nee, dat is een camera. Oh. Zij toch? Vlammen. Nog een keer.
If you want to see my newest video, tap here. If you want to see my recommended video for you, tap here. And if you want to subscribe, tap here. Thanks for watching. Tap here, tap here, tap here.